Today we have a video from Body Cam Network, and the title of the video is Fight Over Ex-Boyfriend Spirals into Street Chaos and Arrest.
On January 7th, 2024, officers with the Orlando Police Department responded to a call of a battery that took place inside of a bar downtown.
They dumped her.
Do you know which person did it to you?
Yeah, I can tell. I can put them out.
Are they
I was walking myself.
Are they out here right now? Are they outside now or not?
I don't see them, but if I see them, I swear to God,
They're talking to the other police officer.
But which one is the one that hit her?
The long hair, they both hit. They had both jumped.
The one with the hair down or the hair in the...
Kayla, stop.
Okay.
Stop.
The one with the long hair.
Stop. I'm not holding it.
I swear to God.
Okay, I seen them, and I know the girl with the long hair because I had an ex-boyfriend, and we broke up, and
I don't give a fuck.
Listen.
Look at her face.
and I
Look at her fucking face.
went after her, like not running, but I was going up the steps. So then I was like,
Oh boy, she acting tough for no reason.
like this, and then that's when she turned around and she hit me. She hit me, and then her best friend like pushed me, and then that's when they jumped me, and then I just like
You didn't hit her at all? You just...
I didn't.
Cops come, she want to act tough.
It's not going to help the situation, okay? We're trying to figure out what happened. Okay, do you want to press charges?
We're already here.
Okay, do you have the ID on you? What are you going to do about it? Okay, can you give it to this officer? I'll take care of it. Just grab their ID, okay? She's saying like the one with the long hair scraped up her eye. So,
We're just
yeah, I'll take it because it's...
let's just wait for the bouncer because they're trying to confirm with the bouncer because he's the one who observed it.
Gotcha.
So he would be the independent witness.
Okay.
So they're just trying to confirm that because he's the one who said that she attacked the other girl.
She attacked her.
Yeah, that's what the bouncer's saying. So
Okay.
that the girl, the jean jacket, I guess the jean jacket attacked the chick with the
So
booty.
as of right now, she's detained. She's not going.
Yeah.
Did she give any ID? Who?
I think it's all.
Okay.
Get off the phone.
Hey.
Cam, get off.
What's your name?
Cameron.
Okay. Do you mind walking over here and talking to me? What happened?
Alright, so me and her got some beef or whatever because she was okay. So I have an ex-boyfriend, right?
Okay.
She was with him for 2 years. We were no contact for 2 years.
God damn, them eyelashes, man. What the heck? In the nail. Look at the nail. Look at the nail on her thumb, man. I don't understand it. Who be telling these people that look good? That don't look good. Oh man.
So I have an ex-boyfriend, right?
Okay.
She was with him for 2 years. We were no contact for 2 years, and
The boyfriend and you were no contact, or her?
me and him.
Okay.
So hold on. I'm sorry.
No, you're gonna talk to me. This is an investigation, okay? You're gonna talk to me and nobody else.
Okay, so me and her had beef or whatever. We never seen each other, never spoke. Don't
Just know that you have a mutual ex.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's literally it.
Okay.
And then so she had texted me or whatever. She thought I was trying to get back with him. I wasn't. So she was like, "Oh, when I see you, I'ma slap you." So we're in the club or whatever. I guess I passed her. She seen me. I was walking up the stairs. You can pull the fucking video footage. You can pull it. I was walking up the stairs. She pulled my hair from behind. I turned around and see who it was, and then she swung.
Okay.
She swung. So of course I'm gonna defend myself and hit back. And then nobody was breaking it up. Her best friend hit my best friend, and then she tried stopping it all. My nails are fucked up. As you can see, she's bleeding. Like, this was uncalled for. She did not have to do that ass shit.
I got you. Let me see your hands real quick. Alright, so that's the one that got messed up. And that one?
That's
Okay, I appreciate it. And you've never met her before? Like, you
I've
never had
never-
beef or anything? It was just all via online? and all that
Online.
stuff?
I've never seen the never talked to her, nothing.
Okay. Is there any reason that it escalated to this point?
I didn't see her at all tonight until I turned around after getting my hair pulled on the stairs and seeing it was her.
Okay.
So,
Alright, do you think that she was purposely trying to pull your hair?
of
or do you think
course,
she was just trying
of
to get your
course.
attention?
She literally seen me. Cause I was walking up the stairs. She must have blocked eye contact with me or something. I was looking around. I wasn't looking at people's eyes or whatever. And then, literally, as soon as we turned the corner to go upstairs, I feel like a tug on my hair. I'm like, what the fuck? I thought it was my best friend at first. So I turned around. I'm like, what the fuck? And then she was like, what's up? And then.
Okay. Alright. Hang here for a second.
That sounds believable.
Yeah.
I'm not
Can
gonna
you,
lie.
please?
he doesn't think they have cameras in that area, and they don't have playback right now. This dude saw it only halfway through, so he didn't see the initial. But what he saw was girl with a bloody face. So this girl in denim was holding girl with the bloody face's hair and just pounding on her face. And he said it looked like that one was just trying to get away. That's what he said. He saw.
Defensive marks, but she's got like a down.
Yeah, and her fingernails broken too. If you saw
So,
that.
if we can get a picture of her injuries, please, before he either takes or cleans it up.
Yeah.
And then we'll attempt picture just based on the.
Do you need his info or anything from him at all? It's this
As
one
long
right
as
here.
they've got his 1014.
Okay.
I'll make sure
If-
Yeah, just make sure
please.
this the bouncer right here. I'll get a photo of her
Just
real
get
quick.
a photo of this, and then I'm gonna read her Miranda real quick, and then.
And this is how people could get caught up, because what her story does sound believable. You know, like she is very detailed on like how things started. We have a mutual boyfriend. You know, she messaged me, whatever, maybe via social media, whatever the case may be. She said, when I see you, it's on site. They, you know, whatever town they in, you know, everybody go to the same bars or clubs or whatever. And they see each other, and she didn't see her, whatever. She walked past, tugged the hair, and it was lit. And then, you know, she mopped her up. you know how the girls be fighting. The girls, they put a hair and they start doing this. So she got her hair, started mollywopping her like this. Started getting her together. But the problem is that no one sees the initial, which makes sense. You know what I mean? Because everyone is doing their own thing, and then people are gonna start looking when commotion really starts to arrive. But they're already in the fight. You know what I'm saying? The snow bunny is already messing her up. Like it's like it's too late, you know. But what she's saying can be true though.
Do me a favor.
Why are you putting it? What's the point of
Take a seat. Take a seat. No, I'm telling you in order. Okay, I have to read you something, and I have to ask some questions. Are you in handcuffs? Okay, so let me do my job. Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Yeah. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand? Yeah. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand? Yeah. If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you via question without charge. You understand? Yeah. Has anyone threatened you or promised you?
Man, what's up with this, man? Man, if I was to answer people like that, or answer, you know, like back in the day or whatever, if I used to answer like that. Yeah. And my mom used to always tell me it's not yes, yes. And so now it's like, yes, you know, like it's just, you gotta instill that discipline in a kid, man. Yeah. Hey, it's not yes.
You need to talk to me.
No.
Okay. All right.
I need a pace. Can I like stand
No.
up?
We're gonna have a conversation, okay? And I'm gonna ask some questions.
Alright.
So you're in the club. You see her. You guys have a mutual ex. We already talked about this, correct? At what point did it become like, hey, I see her. I'm gonna start like hitting her?
Nothing, bro. She literally pulled my hair. That's when I turned around and seen her.
Okay. And what was the manner in which she pulled your hair?
She pulled my, like, yanked it. Like, you can pull the cameras back. She literally yanked my hair. I fell back like 2 steps.
Okay. All right. And then from that point, what happened?
I swung.
Okay. Did you swing like intending to hurt her?
No, like I didn't know who was there, so I just swung because my best friend wouldn't pull my hair like that. When she yanked it, she yanked it.
Okay. And did she fight back, or was it just the
Yes,
other
she
day?
fought back. She hit my head. She hit everything. You can run the cameras right now.
I get you, but there's not cameras in that exact area. There were people that saw it, and what they said was you were grabbing her hair, wailing on her, and punching her.
She grabbed my hair first. She was literally attacking me first.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. You don't need to be.
I know. I'm just mad right now. I understand your point of view. I know you're a cop. You're just trying to get the story. I get it. Like I right now.
Okay.
But I'm just like heated right now. I'm
I got
sorry
you.
I'm getting an attitude. Like I don't mean to. It's
It's okay.
just like my demeanor. I'm sorry.
I get it, and I get you're mad, but I'm just trying to figure out exactly what happened to you, okay?
I know.
Because I don't want to arrest the wrong person or do the wrong thing to the wrong person.
I have
You get what
I have evidence that she said she was gonna slap me and do all this shit to me. So I mean, I can do whatever. She want to go to court. I can press charges. She can press charges. I don't really give a fuck. I got evidence.
Okay.
So I don't really give a fuck.
Okay, so there's nothing else that you want me to know or anything about the situation? Alright.
I believe her story.
No, not right now, not till this is over. Just saying, I'm gonna...
Yeah, because you going to jail. They're going to end up probably locking her up. But
What?
I do believe her story, though.
So she said anything else or not?
They were beating talking to her. I know Gonzo was talking to her.
Okay.
Yeah, they're saying she's gonna be extension, so that's probably gonna be felony.
Yeah. Alright. And we took pictures?
Yeah, Nesbitt has his body camera, and I also had it on my camera.
Alright, perfect.
No, what the fuck?
Don't do this. Bro, you're on the ground. Relax.
Go on the ground. You better stop resisting before you get your face on the ground.
I don't understand why, bro. She f***ing did this shit first, bro. Now I'm going to jail, bro.
Yeah.
We got the bouncer's info? Somebody's got it?
Someone's got it.
I cannot see.
Kiara, bro. Call my mama. Call Alyssa, bro.
We're
doing that.
doing a 40 right here?
Sounds like you're breathing just fine.
Yeah, I know. I've been trying to breathe out.
Okay. You're doing a good job. As far
I know she's talking with them right now. Do you guys have like her phone number and all that stuff? And obviously she can't write a written statement or anything like that, but obviously because we're obviously arresting the other female, so it will end up, going further than that, and there will be like court dates and stuff like that, so.
If they want to press charges, they both press charges.
No, she wants to press charges. We're taking her to jail.
Where's mine? It's in the purse.
It's probably.
What's your phone number?
Pues literalmente tengo que ir al hospital porque me tienen que dar stitches. Yo no sé, like he's fucking
Yeah, if we can get her on paper on one of them, that'd be perfect. Just because I know they're gonna ask for one because I'm gonna go that route just because she's gotta get stitches. That's like
ellos iban a venir acá abajo.
okay, yeah. So
Chaniel viene para acá ahora.
he's gonna get paperwork, okay? I'm gonna explain to you what's going on, okay? Yeah, that's cool. She's going to jail tonight, okay? She's going to jail for aggravated battery, okay? She said your RA open and it's a pretty good gash, okay? And that's a felony. So the reason why we have you write it on paper is just to explain what happened. The state attorney's office will eventually reach out to you and ask you, if you want to continue to pursue the charges and everything like that, okay? That's why we got to get it on paper, and then that way it's written down and everything like that, just because it is a felony charge, okay? All right?
People hold on to them phones for dear life, boy.
Just hang tight with her real quick. He's grabbing paperwork for...
Police come, they on the phone the
The
whole
woman was then
time.
transported to the Orange County Jail, where she was booked and charged with aggravated battery. The police report states that probable cause was established to charge the suspect with aggravated battery because she actually and intentionally touched or struck the victim against her will, intentionally caused bodily harm to her.
All right. You just breaking down some BS. But anyway, I want to listen to her initial story real quick.
I went to go downstairs. They dumped her.
Do you know which person did it to you?
Yeah, I can tell. I can put them out.
Are they out here?
I was walking myself.
Are they out here right now? Are they outside now or not?
I don't see them, but if I see them, I swear to God, like.
They're talking to the other police officer.
Are They both joking.
Jill, stop.
Okay.
Stop.
The one with the
Yo,
long
stop.
hair. Okay.
Stop. I'm not holding her.
I
Stop.
swear to God. And I don't give a fuck.
Listen.
Look, I see her, and I look her fucking face. Went after her, like not running, but I was going up the steps. So then I went to go talk to her, and I went to like grab her shirt like this, and then that's why she turned around and she hit her, like not running, but I was going up the steps. So then I went to go talk to her, and I went to like grab her shirt like this.
See, like, and that's what I was listening for. She says, I went to go talk to her, and I went up to her, not running, but I went to go grab her shirt, and then she hit me. I mean, that story versus she was walking up the steps and, you know, she pulled her hair or whatever, and she's adamant about, you know, cameras. She don't know, you know, the other chick, she don't know if there's, you know, that they don't have cameras in that area, whatever. But she's like, yo, look, pull those cameras. Like, that's what happened. I was going upstairs, she yanked my hair. I went back 2 steps real quick and I turned, because anybody would be like, wait, what? Hold on. And that story sounds so much more believable to me. The witness, yeah, they're not gonna see the initial. They're only gonna see once the commotion is already made and she grabbing her hair and hitting her with the mollywop, rag dogging her, getting bing, 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 ragging her. Like, yeah. So I mean, I get it. You got to go with what people actually saw, but it's her word against hers. And the witness, you didn't see the initial. You only seen once it was already in motion. And if I'm looking at both stories, I believe the Snow Bunny story over the Latina. I believe the Snow Bunny story. Like, her story sounds believable to me. We got mutuals. She already messaged me, said when I see her, it's on site. That correlates with what the Latina said. I seen her, and I was gonna roll up on her, and I went to go grab her shirt. I went to go tug her shirt, and she started mollywopping me. It makes sense. That makes sense to me. So she's being arrested because you lost the fight. The Snow Bunny being locked up pretty much because the Latina can't fight. You gotta break it down. I disagree with who they locked up, you know, because even the Latina story, she came up with intentions on grabbing her shirt, and, you know, and if she could prove that there was messages prior where she was threatening her, I mean, if I was the officer, I would see, hey, let me see those messages. You know, there's more to the story than this. But so I'm gonna get a cops a 3 in my opinion. You know, and you know, if you may not agree, but I'm just, from what I see, I think the Snow Bunny story is way more believable. And pretty much the Snow Bunny was locked up because the Latina lost the fight. And that's what it is, man. So I'm gonna give a 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.